All right, gents, you have 15,000 subscribers and over 5.5 million channel views. How do you feel?
Pretty amazing, isn't it, buddy? Yeah, 15,000 people have subscribed to our channel. Mm-hmm. And they have watched it enough times to now where 5.5 million views on our video. Mm-hmm. That's pretty dang cool if you ask me. So we are eternally grateful and so thankful for you guys going along on this adventure with us. It all started out back before Benjamin, who's just about to turn 9 finally. Before he was even born, we had this idea that we would set him up with tools for all of his birthday celebrations and Christmas and all this kind of stuff. And one day when he's old enough, he would have all the tools he would ever need. But then we decided that by the time he gets there, I'm going to be too old to use them. So he might as well have them now. So the whole idea here, guys, is to share all the knowledge and information that we can compile into one environment where Benjamin can have that left legacy and be able to go out there and learn from all these tools, learn from the things that we can put together. And it gives you all an opportunity to learn just as well. So it's a pretty cool adventure. And it's a neat thing to do. So what do you think about it?
I really thank you for teaching me all of these tools, and I really appreciate how we made this one right here.
Yeah.
That was really amazing how we had that some grandma juice.
Yeah.
So we don't have, so.
It cleaned up really well. You know, that was a good exercise, and now that's on video. So anytime that you ever run across a hand plane that needs to be restored, you can go back on the video and go step by step how to do it all the way down the line. Just like the big walnut table that we just did a while back. Complete. Anybody who wants to learn how to make a walnut table can go out there and look at that video series and watch it, do it step by step, and learn how to make a table. One day, you'll learn how to make a dining room table that you and your family will sit and eat at, which is pretty cool because a table that you made yourself, you sit and eat at it, the food tastes better off that table because it's a table you made with your own hands. So our whole premise is to get Benjamin dialed in on all this stuff and to take everything that I've learned over all these years and put it in an environment where he, as well as all the rest of you, can learn. So we are beyond grateful. Never thought it would take off quite the way it has. 15,000 people pay attention to us. That's pretty darn cool. You know, that's 5.5 million views. That's people watching a lot of our videos and learning. And the comments that we get back are just are inspiring and phenomenal. And the questions that come up are fantastic. So thank you so much. From the bottom of our heart, we genuinely appreciate you. And thank you for watching. We hope you continue.